Okay guys, this is a 2023 Sprinter. This is an extended version, 170, long, high roof. It's got good tires on it. This is a diesel, rear-wheel drive. It is a rebuilt title. Had damage right through here. All been fixed up. Got that open, show you it's a diesel. Leather seats. $79,609 on the miles. Cruise control. 360 camera. AC. Power folding mirrors. Let's have this rear step. Looks like there's some tie downs in here. '23 Mercedes Sprinter. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.